If you have $100 and you want to start trading and making money on the Binance, Bybit or KuCoin app, then this video is for you. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to start trading with $100, the amount you should use on a trade, and how you should manage your trade. Okay, I'll show you how to use a trading view app with a strategy, okay, and how to select the coin. So it's very important you pay close attention. At the end of this video, if you still have any questions, just comment down in the video below, or you click the first link and join the Telegram channel where I share free trades. You can also follow me on Binance feed. Okay, so first thing first, what we want to do is we want to deposit the money into our Binance Futures wallet. Once you deposit money into your Binance Futures wallet, you are simply saying I'm ready to lose that money should in case things don't go in my favor. Okay, so always remember this: never send all your savings or all your money into your Futures wallet. Only send the money you can afford to lose all. So if your savings are $1,000, you can decide to use $100 on your Futures wallet and start trading. Don't go and use $500 or $400, because if you use that amount, your emotions will play a crucial role. So please, if you have $1,000, $10,000, and you want to start making money, you can decide to use 10% of that money into your Futures wallet, so that you can also start risking small and making a lot of money. So I'll just click on transfer section here. When I click on transfer section, I'm going to change the cross to futures. Remember, we trade USDT at M futures. Then I'll now enter an amount of $100, right? Because of that, I withdraw all of my money from the Futures wallet, just to make things very simple and easy. So we go to the spot wallet, then we withdraw that $100 into our Futures wallet. Okay, so after withdrawing the money, I'll now click on the Futures dashboard at the top. So you select the first one, that's contract settle in USDT and USDC. So I click on it here. So after clicking on it, you can now see like my balance on my Futures wallet. Okay, so now let's see, my balance on my Futures wallet is $107. As I told you, I withdrew all my money just to start with $100. So once we have the $100 inside, now we are going to go to trading view, this is coin market cap. So for us to find a coin and start trading, what digital currencies are just like, let's say they are built on blockchain, okay, and they are used for specific job. All of them perform a specific task. Okay, so we have Bitcoin for payment, Ethereum for Web3 and other website development, and we have BNB being a Binance coin. This coin has been performing magic. Okay, so if you want to get a risk-free investment, I will say link, that's Chainlink, BNB, XRP, and also Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have Matic 2 now being $1. Okay, so let's say we want to select a coin. For us to select a coin, we have trending section here. So you click on the trending section. Okay, so when you click on the trending section, now we are going to go to the spotlight. Okay, so just click on the spotlight here at the top left hand side. So we click on spotlight. So when we click on spotlight, now we have trending section. Trending section shows the coins that people are currently trading, coins people are currently using, coins that have big things coming out for them. Then we have the biggest gainers. The biggest gainers are, in the past 24 hours, coins that has been able to pump to the upside, and we have one of them being Optimism, that's OP. We have Flow, we have Uniswap, Mantle, Theater Network, and all those stuff. And we also have the biggest losers. So the biggest losers in the past 24 hours is BitTorrent, Render Token, C, Casper, Stacks, and all, Blair Coin, and Tier. We also have Celestia Tier here. So I want you to pay close attention to what I'm going to say here. If you are going to take a trade, cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value. If a coin is found here, if a coin is found on the trending section, what you should be thinking about is maybe something is happening. That's why we have over 300 coins and we have over 100 regulated coins that have been booked on an exchange. They are over 100. So imagine over the 100 coins, we only have 10 coins here. That means something is happening inside that coin. We can see world coin here. They have been able to advance their identification system. Ethereum too have crossed $3,000. That's why it's here. Uniswap has managed to cross $10. Now it's around $11.19. And we have this particular coin too that was released. It was a shit coin, this particular coin. So we have these coins at the left hand side. These are the coins that are currently trending. So now we are going to make it simple by finding a coin and trading. So I'll just click here. So if I click on the search box at the top right hand side, you can see these are the coins that people are currently trading right now. We have a coin like Starknet, Palm AI. So let's say we want to trade this particular coin, the Kuti coin. Okay, let's say we want to trade it because right now it's currently trending and it's down 5.2%. So we'll go to trading view section. So when we are on trading view, basically what we are going to do now is called technical analysis. So you click on the trading view website. If you visit your trading view website, this is what you are going to be seeing. So just click on this product section. When you click on the product section, you now click on super chat, right? So I'll just click on super chat here. So once I click on super chat, I'm going to select the coin that I'm interested in trading. Before you take any trade, always ask yourself, is Bitcoin moving up or is Bitcoin moving down? If Bitcoin is moving up, go and buy the altcoins. If Bitcoin is moving down, go and sell the altcoins. And if Bitcoin is consolidating, when I say consolidating, if Bitcoin is neither moving up or moving down, go and sell the altcoins if Bitcoin is consolidating. And only take a trade from Monday to Friday, London session or New York session. That's the time that the banks in the United States or the banks in London open for trading. And during these hours, the market moves very fast. So this is technical analysis. This chart is 4-hour time frame of Ethereum, meaning each candlestick is equivalent to 4 hours. For me, I'm a trend follower. That's my strategy. I wait for a pullback in a trend, then I enter a long position or short position in that direction. Okay, so the most important part is we are going to go back to coin market cap. So when we are on coin market cap, you can see these are the coins that are currently trending. So I'll just click on the Kuti coin here. Okay, so after clicking on it, we can see this is what is currently happening, right? In the past 24 hours, this is the trading volume of Kuti, 11%. Then we have the market cap being 2 plus 7%, right? Now, the most important part for you to also look at is the market section. So once you see that this coin is really doing well, or if it's not doing well, we are only thinking about two choices: whether we are going to sell it or buy it with a leverage and make profit. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'm just going to scroll. Okay, so let's scroll down, right? So when we scroll down, we can go to the market section. Before you trade any coin, always ask yourself, is the coin listed on Coinbase, Binance, or KuCoin or Kraken? So you can see this coin is currently listed on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and Uniswap. So it's good for us to trade. So you can also look at the right hand side to see what people are saying about the coin. We call this sentimental analysis. Okay, if people are talking positive news about the coin, it's just a matter of time it will start pumping. So we also have what we call fundamental and sentimental analysis. For fundamental analysis, these are news events that currently happen in the financial market. Okay, so right now we'll go to trading view. We can see this is the name of the coin here, Kuti. So we'll go to trading view section, then we'll click on the search box at the top left hand side, then we'll type in Kuti here. So when you type in Kuti, add .p to it. So if you add .p to it, we now ask ourselves, okay, is the coin active on Binance or Bybit, and what exchange are we trading it from? Because I'm going to trade it on Binance, I'll just select Binance here. So if you are trading it on Bybit, you select Bybit. So let's click on Binance. Okay. So this is the current chart of Kochi. You can see about 36% and it moved back to the downside. This is an uptrend of Kochi and it's in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what I usually do is I just click on indicators. So if you are new, just click on the indicators, then you moving averages. So you just type in moving averages here. So you go for exponential moving average. So you click on exponential moving average. After clicking on it, you see a particular line active on the chart. So you are just going to double click on that line here. So when you double click on that line, make sure the line is about 100x. So once you know the line is about 100x, now the next thing for us to do is we go here, then we'll go for close section with the style. So for us to change the style, for me, I usually like leaving it in yellow. Okay, so with the yellow section, we have the line. Okay, smoothing line. Okay, so now you can even decide to turn on the smoothing line. So this is okay for us now. So what I want to say is once you add the moving average and you see like the moving average is below the candlesticks, you start buying. If the moving average is above the candlesticks, you start selling. Okay, the moving average is going to help you determine the direction of the coin because you are still a newbie, because yet you don't understand risk, what do you call it, technical analysis and market structure. So because of that, I've decided to add the indicator to help you understand the direction of the market. So this is a 100-day, 104-hour, 100 moving average. So I'm saying that if you add the moving average and you select the coin and the moving average is below the candlesticks, you are going to start buying the coin. If the moving average is above the candlesticks, you are going to start selling. So the next website that we have to visit is called tradinginvesting.com. So I'll just click on investing.com here. So when I click on investing.com, I'll now go to economic calendar. Okay, so you go to economic calendar here. We just want to know whether there is news events coming. If there are no news events, then we can start trading. So today we have new home sales. This is not a very high impact news, so we can go ahead and take a position. So looking at the current market for Kochi here, we cannot trade it because it's have already moved up and it made a downward and it's now trying to reach the up again. So what we are going to do is, let's say we want to trade. Okay, we can go back to coin market cap and select another coin. So I'll just click on coin market cap here. So when I click on coin market cap, I'll go back to the coin selection section. Okay, so I'll just click on go back to coin selection section. Okay, so remember we have already looked at the fundamentals and we can see that today we don't have a major fundamental analysis here. So we are going to select a coin from this session and trade it. So let's say we are going to select a coin like let's see which coin should we select. So this is where we have no magic thing that we do here. We only select coins from this session to trade. So I'll just look for a coin right now so that we'll try it out together. Okay, so I'll select the coin theater. So let's say we are trading theater here. So let's look at how theater is performing. Okay, so the past 24 hours the trading volume is 40%. I can check and see. So theater is active on Binance, OKX and KuCoin, even on Bybit. So this is the name for the coin here. We have theater network. I'll go back to trading view session. Then I'll now type in theater. So I have theater this way, .p. Okay, so always add .p so that you select the right coin. Okay, so we can see theater 2 is in an uptrend. Okay, the coins have been able to make a major move during the weekend. Okay, I'll advise you that please don't trade on weekend. It's very important you listen to me. Don't trade on weekend. So we will go for the biggest losers and select a coin from this session. So you have render token here. We also have singularity network and helium. So let's go for render token. Okay, So we'll click on render token right now. So we just click on render token so that we can try to trade that one. Okay, it has not really made any major move, so we'll click on it. Anytime a coin is down for about 2 to 5% or 20% within 24 hours, it surely rises up again, because cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value. Okay, so we have render token. Let's check the name here. So the name is not like that on trading. Okay, so the name is around, okay, RNDR. So the name is RNDR. So we have the name to be RND. Okay. So this is render token. So I told you to add .p to it. So we have R.P. So we will now select Binance. And I'm saying if you are trading on Bybit, you select Bybit. So I'll select Binance here. So this is the current market structure for render token. We have a W pattern trying to form this session here. If it's not a W pattern, then this means this coin is about to drop or make a major drop. But for me right now, I'm going to enter a long position because the moving average is below the candlesticks. Remember what I said, if the moving average is above the candlesticks, we start selling. But if this moving average, if the line that we have added, if it is above the candlesticks, we are going to start selling. That means if you go to Binance to enter the trade, you are going to start selling. Okay, so but right now the moving average is below the candlestick, so we'll start buying. And we can even see a W pattern trying to form here. Okay, so we'll click here. Then I usually target 1:3, meaning if I'm risking 30 or $100, I'll be making around $300 if the trade goes well. So we have 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this is how the trade has been captured. Now I'll double click to calculate my position size. So this is how much that was in my Binance futures wallet. But right now, because we are going to start with $100, I'll type $100 here. Okay, so if you are starting with $1,000 or $2,000, you make sure you enter $1,000 or $2,000. Now we are going to use 2% of the $100 as margin. We have our entry price being $7.29, and we have our stop our stop price being around 3. Okay, so let's just 6.97. So let's just click on enter here. So once we click on enter, this is our quantity. This is how much we are supposed to enter into our Binance futures margin. So I'll go back to Binance session here. So when I go back to Binance, I'll go to the left hand side, then I'll search for the coin RNDR. Okay, so this is the coin. Always select the one with the perpetual. Then I click on it this way. After clicking on it, you can see the price of changes. So this place is where we call the order book. So the order book contains the buyers and sellers, and these are their active trades. You see, at any moment in time, once you are selling, someone is buying. So we have those being at the top, they are the sellers, and those being at the down here where my cursor is, they are the buyers. So we have here being the order box. So the order box contains your tools for entering a trade. We have the limit, market, stop price. In the next video, I'm going to differentiate why we trade cross margin. Okay, so for me, we already know that we are going to use 5.6 as margin here. But before we do that, let's calculate our position. So we click on the position calculator here. Now we have the RND token we are buying. We go for 20x leverage, and we know the entry price is around here. So the entry is 2.299. So we are going to use 2.299 as our entry. So we have 2.299. Okay, then the exit price. I usually like to calculate my loss before I calculate my profit. Okay, so we have 6.965. So we have 6.965. So we go to our stop loss is 6.965. If you don't understand anything in this video, but please try and understand position sizing, because once you understand position sizing, it will be very hard for you to lose money in trading. Now we have our quantity. So our quantity is 5.988. That's what they are saying we should use if we want to use 2% of the $100. So we have 5 5.988. Okay, so we have 5.988, right? 5.988. Then we'll click on calculate. So if the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose around, okay, let's say this trade is not, okay, so let's do it again. 5 point, okay, so we have 5.988. We click on calculate. We are going to lose an amount of $12. If the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose an amount of $12. But let's say the trade goes well, so we are going to go back to trading view session. Then we know our target is 8.226. So the target is 8.226. So we'll go back. We have our next target being 8.226. Okay, we have 8.226. Calculate. So if the trade does go well, we are going to make a profit of $15. Okay, so $15 profit if the trade goes well. If the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose around $10 to $8. If you have any questions, just comment down below. This is how you calculate your position. You can even calculate the target price. You can also calculate the liquidation price, the maximum open, and all those stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it to 2%. So we drag it to 2%. When we drag it to 2%, this is the cost here. So that means we are using $2 on this trade. Then we have our target being the take profit. So we'll go back to trading view session. Our take profit is around 8.226. So we enter 8.226 here as our take profit. We have 8.226. Then we enter our stop loss too. So with our stop loss, we have the stop loss being 6.965. Stop loss is 6.965. 6.965. Okay, then we'll click on buy long. Okay, so once we click on buy long, the trade will now appear at the position section. We have the open orders containing the stop loss and the take profit. I've just tried to teach you risk management. Okay, so now if the trade goes well, we are going to make 3 times of what we are risking. But if the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose 2% of our account based on the margin here. Then we have the 0.01 being the unrealized P&L. That's our profit. Okay, so this is how you should be looking at the trading. This is how you should be trading. Okay, if you enter a trade and this particular green button, we call it the speedometer. You can say the margin ratio. If the margin ratio is more than 10%, close your position and re-enter the trade. So this is the unrealized P&L, how much we are currently making on this position. So if you want to close the trade, just click on the market section. If you click on the market section, you close all of it. But if you click on the limit close, you can close either 50%, 40%, 70% of your profit. Okay, so anytime you enter a trade and the trade is able to achieve 100 plus ROI or 120, 200 plus ROI, just close 50% and move your stop loss to entry. Okay, you can just click on the open orders here. So when we click on the open orders, we have the stop market sell. The stop market sell is where we want to exit the market should in case the trade doesn't go well. And we have the target or take profit level where we want to exit the market should in case goes well, should in case the trade is able to achieve our target. What I want to tell you is this: trading is risk, is very risky, and for you to start making money, you need to understand probabilities. You need to understand probabilities. You will not be winning every time, even if you have 100% winning strategy. There will come a time that you will always be losing. So make sure you follow the instructions that I've just showed you. I've just showed you how to trade with $100 and earn something for yourself. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. If you want to copy my trades, you can also click the link and join the Telegram group where I share my trades. Make sure to follow me on Binance feed because I'm sharing a lot of information about the crypto market. So see you in the next video.